What if I told you the universe has encoded specific laws that govern the flow of abundance and prosperity? Throughout history, the world's most successful individuals have understood and applied these universal principles of wealth creation. Take Marcus, who built $1 million empire from nothing by applying these exact principles we're about to explore. The first universal law is the law of gestation. Just like a seed needs time to grow into a mighty tree, wealth requires patient nurturing. The second law is the law of multiple streams. Nature never relies on a single source. Rivers have tributaries. Trees have branches. Sarah discovered this when she expanded her traditional art business into digital products, coaching, and online courses. The third law is the law of rhythm. Markets, like everything in nature, move in cycles. Understanding these rhythms is crucial for timing. Sarah learned to plant seeds during market downturns, knowing spring always follows winter. The fourth law is the law of correspondence. As above, so below. Your inner wealth consciousness directly reflects your outer reality. When Marcus aligned his mindset with abundance, his external world began to transform. The fifth law is the law of connection. Wealth flows through relationships and networks, not in isolation. The most successful people understand that true wealth comes from creating value for others. The sixth law is the law of giving. The universe operates on a principle of circulation. The more you give, the more you receive. When Sarah began offering free workshops, her paid programs naturally attracted more clients. The seventh law is the law of abundance. Nature is never in shortage. There are endless opportunities for those who recognize them. Success leaves clues. These universal laws have been proven time and time again by those who study and apply them consistently. The question isn't whether these laws work. They're as reliable as gravity. The question is, are you ready to apply them? Your journey to infinite wealth begins with understanding these principles. The rest is up to you. Click the link below for more help manifesting wealth.